Hey everybody, welcome to Tutor Institute of Technology YouTube channel. This is me Sandhya, trainer for Spoken English. Today we are gonna learn Spoken English for beginners and job seekers. Before start taking class, I would like to tell you about our channel and the courses we offer. Apart from spoken English, we offer the following courses: Spoken Hindi, subjects like Math, CBSE and State Board from 6th to 12th standard, High Speed Math and Physics. Beyond the books, we are offering some classes for kids: Art and Craft, Slogans for Kids, Alphabets Cartoon Game. Today, I'm gonna teach basic topics in English. It helps you to communicate with the people. Do you have any idea what I'm gonna teach? No? Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Today, I'm gonna teach greeting. Tell me one thing, guys. Do you know what is greeting? Let me explain. The first words you say when you meet somebody, you should greet them also. Hello, hi. These kind of words called as greeting. How to greet a people when we meet? There are two kinds of greetings in English. First one is formal. Another one is informal. First, we'll see what is formal. Formal is politer, and also if you don't know the person, you can treat as like hello, hi. Okay. Informal is when you greet your friend or someone who is related to you. Here, I have given some examples for formal and informal greetings. How to greet the people in a formal manner? Do you know? Come on, let me teach you. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a pleasure to meet you. Come on. If someone greets you formally, greet them in the same manner. Got it? Okay. First, how are you? Opposite person will reply to your question. Fine. Thank you. And you? Very good. Next one. How have you been? That opposite person will reply, very well. And you? So cool, no? Next one. How are things? Not bad. Thanks. Hope you guys understand these phrases. It's really very helpful to you to greet the people in a formal manner. Now, let's move on to the next topic, guys. Come on. How to greet the people in a informal manner. Okay? First one. Hi. Hiya. Hey. What's up? Morning. How are things? How is it going? It's good to see you. If your friends or someone who are closely related to you greet informally, you greet them informally too. Here I have given some examples. You can go through it. Quickly moving on to the next topic. For example, if you're going to any birthday parties or else any family functions, there itself you'll meet your friends or else any of your relatives. With them, you can use these informal manner phrases. How are you, man? That opposite person will reply, I'm cool. Second one, how are things? Yeah, it's going good. What's up? Nothing great to say, man. It's so cool, no? Quickly moving on to the next topic. Can you guess what is that? Yeah, it's goodbye. Usually, we'll end up the conversation by saying goodbye wherever if we go, wherever if we meet. So instead of goodbye, we'll use some other phrases. Come on, guys, let me teach you. First one is, it was nice meeting you, Tarun. It was nice to meet you, Mrs. Tara. If you are going to any official meeting, end of the meeting, you can say goodbye to the colleagues, like have a good day. Whenever you're going to your bed, you can say good night or goodbye, sweet dreams. Okay, now we are gonna learn how to respond to the goodbye greeting. You guys, you can say to the people, it was nice meeting you. Opposite person will reply to you, yeah, of course, it was nice meeting you too. Next one, have a good day. Opposite person will reply, thank you, you too. Next, while you're going to your bed, you can say good night, goodbye, sweet dreams to your family members on WhatsApp, to your friends. I hope these examples have helped you to speak English in more convenient way. Am I right, guys? Of course it is right. Practice these phrases in your daily routine with your friends and family members. So that's all for today class, guys. Now, if you guys are like this video, please give comments below. I would be watching and looking at your comments. Well, subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. That's all for today, guys. Spread love. Keep smiling. This is me, Sandhya, signing off the day, guys. See you on our next video. Thank you.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.